From torrential rain and thunderstorms to snow, it's all happening across North America at the moment, and it's mainly driven by this sharp temperature contrast. You can see the blue colours across much of Canada, stretching into some northwestern states of the USA. Meanwhile, further south and east, we hold on to that warmth and humidity, and where the two air masses collide, you get a very active front draped from the lower lakes across the southern and central plains across towards the Great Basin. Further torrential rain and thunderstorms to come here over the next few days. Also some snow for the likes of Wyoming, Dakota, parts of Utah, the Rockies. Eventually, that snow working its way up in towards Manitoba and Saskatchewan. Meanwhile, Hurricane Sergio stays well offshore off the west coast, but likely to bring some heavy rain to the Baja Peninsula over the coming days and potentially into Arizona and Texas as well. Meanwhile, further south in the Gulf of Mexico, keeping an eye on what's happening here, some further torrential rain for the Yucatan Peninsula, the potential that we could see a tropical storm developing here over the next few days, and that's going to mean further very unsettled weather across much of the Caribbean, so we need to keep an eye on this part of the world. Across into Europe, and we've had some fairly unsettled weather across parts of the Mediterranean, particularly across Italy, Sardinia, Corsica. Further heavy showers to come here as we start the new week. Also further showers running through the Adriatic, so we could see further wet weather for Croatia. And it looks like southern parts of France down in towards the Balearics could see further heavy rain for time through the early part of the week. So it stays quite unsettled here. Meanwhile, further north across France, parts of England and Wales, the warmth will return over the next few days. But further heavy rain to come across southern parts of India, particularly for Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Further warnings in place here, and some of that will extend down in towards the Maldives and Sri Lanka over the coming days. Meanwhile, we've got an area of low pressure in the Arabian Sea. That's going to continue to generate some rough seas, further outbreaks of rain, and the potential we could see some impacts across Oman and Yemen as we head through the latter half of the week. That's all from me. Bye-bye.